Once you've gotten the hang of potty training at home, you may be ready to go out into the world with your newly potty trained toddler. Today, I'm going to share tips on how to go out and about without the drama. Hey guys, I'm Missy Yando, your pediatric sleep coach and potty training coach. If you like these types of videos, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you get notified every time I put out a new video. So diving right in, tip number 1. When you are ready to go out and about with your toddler in their new underpants and they are fully clothed, because if you've potty trained with me, you know that I'm all about the run around naked method. So first step, make sure that you're going out with clothes on. Your first venture out into the world is going to be a very quick one. So let me break it down for you. Break it down. So the first visit, what you're going to do is think of something that you need to get at Wegmans or Target or Walmart or wherever, whatever stores you have. So pick one thing that you need. Maybe you need to pick up more juice or something. So what you're going to do is have your child go to the bathroom, then get in the car, go to the store, find the bathroom. Get one thing. One thing. I'm talking in and out. Cash out, go to the bathroom. Get in the car, go home, go to the bathroom. I'm not kidding. That is exactly what I want you to do the first time that you are going out somewhere with your newly potty trained child. It sounds crazy, but to your child, this new adventure is something so exciting, and you know, they may not be used to having these kinds of distractions, and if you just go out and get one quick thing and show them where the bathroom is at this place that you probably frequent very often, especially if it's Target. Show them where the bathroom is and, you know, kind of let them know this is where the bathroom is, and let them know that anytime they need to go to the bathroom, that whenever they're at this store, there's always a bathroom, and just tell mommy or daddy that you need to go potty and we will go. So that's your first outing. Your next outing, maybe you need to get 3 to 5 things. You might want to get crazy and get maybe like 10 things. That's pushing it. Maybe you could do that on the third visit. So every time you go out, you can try and go out for a little bit longer and a little bit longer, but just don't push it too far. Maybe you can even try going to a library story time. That is a great half-hour stretch where you can go to the library, find the bathroom, go potty, go sit through story time, and then go to the bathroom, and then go home and go to the bathroom again. That is a great transition. Tip number 2 that I have for you is to invest in a piddle pad for your car seat. These are a great product that was made to easily, let me repeat that, easily take your piddle pad off of the car seat and throw it in the washing machine if and when there is an accident. Once again, you should probably expect there to be some accidents in the car here and there. Your child is not going to right away, as soon as they're potty trained, be able to just tell you on a whim exactly when they need to go. And it might be too late by the time they say that they do need to go. So expect some of those accidents. A piddle pad is a great investment to have in the car so you can just throw it in the washing machine when your kid has an accident. And let me tell you, speaking from experience from a mother of 3, get a piddle pad, because a lot of car seats out there nowadays, they're starting to come with easily removable liners or whatever for this purpose, but it is not fun. It is really not fun to have to take those off of the car seat and wash them, and then your kid might not even have any comfort or any padding on their car seat, and your child may be stuck without a soft cushion pad while their liner is going through the laundry. So then tip number 3 that I have for you is to have some sort of porta potty situation. Now, there are many different products on the market out there, and I personally haven't tried any of them because I am a fan of a cup. Yep, easy as this. A cup. So I like to just use a disposable cup when my kids have to go to the bathroom and we're on the go. During the summers, we love going on long family road trips. Sometimes we will just spontaneously pack things up and get in the car and go for a long drive and see where the road takes us and end up going camping or something, in which case there may not be a bathroom. So having a cup on hand is seriously the easiest way to just help your child go to the bathroom. Yes, it works for boys, and yes, it works for girls. In the case of using something like this, you're gonna wanna bring some wipes. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you have a favorite on-the-go potty product. Tip number 4 is to have some handy dandy post-it notes in your purse or diaper bag or whatever. But a lot of children are afraid of automatic flushing toilets. So take a post-it note, cover the automatic flusher, put your kid on the toilet, keep the post-it on there, let your kid go potty, have them pull up their pants, have them open the door and get out of the bathroom, remove the post-it, let the toilet flush. Now your child won't be scared anymore. Some of these tips are just gold, I tell ya, gold. Things people never even thought of, I got you covered. And if your child is afraid of a larger potty in a public restroom, don't be afraid to bring your plastic disposable cup with you in the bathroom, which is kind of another reason why I love those, because it's so easy to just carry a plastic cup with you and, you know, dispose of it in the bathroom after your child has used it. Tip number 5 also has to do with public restrooms. Now, we all know that public restrooms are disgusting, and I hate to break it to you, but women's restrooms are seriously more disgusting than men's. I don't know how there are so many disgusting women in the world, but with feminine hygiene products and just disgusting habits, girls' bathrooms are seriously gross. I do not and will not ever have my child sit on a public toilet. Sometimes I will line the toilet with toilet paper, but for the sake of the toilet paper falling in the toilet as soon as my daughter sits on it, or just having it not pan out the way I wanted it to. If you've been in this position, you know what I'm talking about. It's just not clean enough. So what I will do is, whether I'm with my boys or my girl, so what I will do is have my children take off their pants so that they don't get wet as they're going to the bathroom. I will have them stand on the toilet and squat. Yes, you heard me. I will have them stand on the toilet and squat. Of course, I am holding them the entire time so that they don't fall in, but I would so much rather have them go to the bathroom squatting like this than to have them sit their precious little tushies on a disgusting toilet. I cannot even finish that sentence, because thinking about public restrooms, do what you can do to not have to use gross public restrooms. But I mean, like I said, we like to go on trips and we like to go hiking and camping and all these things. So we have seen some seriously disgusting bathrooms where we have chosen to use a disposable cup rather than a porta potty or like a gross bathroom. I gotta stop thinking about gross bathrooms because it is grossing me out. So with that being said, we are on tip number 6, bring a spare pair of clothes. I'm not just talking about for your child, I am also talking about for you. You want to make sure that if you get peed on, pooped on, spit up on, whatever it is, whether you're potty training or not, but especially if you're potty training, make sure you bring some extra clothes for yourself and for your child. You also want to make sure that you have some wipes in case, God forbid, there's no toilet paper, but sometimes there's just no toilet paper, and if you're in like a campsite, whatever, you might need some wipes. So make sure you kind of have an emergency kit set up with some wipes and definitely some sanitizer. You definitely want to make sure that you have both of those things so that you can clean up properly after you've done the duty of changing whatever accident happened. One more thing you want to make sure that you have in your emergency backup clothing kit is some disposable bags that you can put the wet clothes in so that you don't have to mix any of the wet clothes with the clean clothes, or if you just forgot to bring a bag altogether, just make sure that you remember, because I've definitely been in that position where I had my cute little bag of all extra clothes and forgot to bring a bag to put the disgusting clothes in. So learn from my mistakes and make sure that you have those things. So those are my tips for you for potty training on the go. I hope that you guys have a great experience with potty training and getting your child out into the world in their new amazing underwear, and that you are excited that you have ditched the diapers. Enjoy exploring every single bathroom that your child will make you go to, because when your child is potty trained, they will seriously be so excited to go explore all the bathrooms ever. And sometimes you might have to go twice. I promise you that that is short-lived. You will not have to go to every bathroom in every store every single time that you go out and about, but enjoy it while it lasts, because this phase is fun and your child is learning and growing, and you know, they're getting more independent. So Cheers. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my next videos. And while you are waiting for my next video, make sure you check out some of my older videos in which I talk more about potty training and sleep training and all the things. I will see you next time. Bye. While your liner is going through the wash/laundry. Oh my gosh. Oh man, now I can't talk again. Sometimes I have to be like appropriate about this going potty thing. How do I explain this? This is so weird. Sometimes it's just easier to say like, you just gotta pee sometimes, people. All right, cut.